Welcome to Assets Ability YouTube channel, where we help you achieve financial freedom through real estate investing. In today's episode, we will discuss what a Heloc is and how to effectively use it for your wealth building strategy. Hi, I'm Kelly, a team member at Assets Ability. Do you know what Heloc means? Heloc stands for Home Equity Line of Credit, a very effective strategy to build wealth, and we'll help you teach you how to use it. From our previous videos, you already know that a primary residence is a liability. But what happens if you use a Heloc effectively? You will turn your house into a half asset. When you have equity in your home, you can borrow against the house. Equity is the difference of what your property is worth and what you owe against it. The only requirement to form your primary residence into an asset, you have to use the equity in your home to purchase cash flow producing properties. So let's do the math. Assume you have $300,000 equity in your house. The bank will give you credit for 75 to 80% loan to value. That being said, you could buy rental properties for $240,000. We at Assets Ability can connect you with our turnkey affiliates to purchase rental properties for around $100,000 with a monthly cash flow of $900 a month. Or we can teach you how to find awesome rental deals yourself. That sounds like an awesome way to start your path to financial freedom right away, right? How does the bank know the loan to value amount of your home? They send out their appraiser. Sometimes the bank even pays for the appraisal. And just a little hint, to get a more accurate appraisal, try to work with local banks. They're more familiar with your neighborhood, and typically you will most likely receive better rates. On top of all of this, the assessment of local banks are more accurate. Interest rates can be anywhere between 3 to 6%, and you should also know that Heloc is different from a home equity loan. A Heloc works like a credit card. Interest is charged once you use the Heloc, and you can pull the amount you need from it, just like a credit card. With a regular loan, the interest starts piling up right away. The other difference, with a loan, you have a one-time payment made to you from a bank, and you pay it back over time until it's payoff. With Heloc, you can use the money over and over again. Every time when you pay an amount back, you could pull that amount back out immediately again. In most cases, the Heloc will last around 10 years. Your Heloc even has its own account and routing number. Now that you have your line of credit, what do you do next? Well, this is definitely something everyone will have to answer for themselves. At Assets Ability, our clients buy more cash flow producing properties, and our clients are leveraging the equity they have in their home. The tenant actually pays the Heloc down, and you can repeat this process with more and more properties. Remember, the equity in your house is not lost. It's just working hard somewhere else while it's producing cash flow directly into your pocket. The bank will set up your monthly payment, and you'll have to make sure that this payment is covered by the rent that is coming in from your rental property. This is a great way beginners and even savvy investors use this strategy to acquire cash flow producing properties. That's it for today's episode. If you want to learn more or need assistance, just click the link below and schedule a call with our team. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. And remember, we believe you deserve financial freedom.